Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of some Leatt Gear. Their ADV 9.5 helmet and their C-Frame Pro carbon knee braces.
Two boxes showed up from Leatt, their top-of-the-line ADV 9.5 carbon helmet and the C-Frame Pro carbon knee braces. I'm going to be running both of these hard over the next few weeks, but today we're just cracking them open, seeing exactly what comes in the kit, and getting first impressions. Full reviews are coming on both. Let's get into it.
So I'm going to take everything out to start with, and we're going to see what we have in the box. That's a clear shield. A large helmet container. We've got a pin lock, 120 XLT, and a little bit of hardware and the manual. This helmet comes in at 1,490 grams, which for an ADV helmet is extremely light. That's about 3.3 pounds. Yes, quite a bag and a storage area. So obviously we've got something in the side here, and it's a soft padded bag to be able to carry your helmet. It comes with the Leatt Velocity 4.5 iris goggles, which stores into the side of the helmet. Got a manual for the goggles, great carrying bag. And the helmet itself, 1,490 grams. It's extremely light for an ADV helmet. I could feel it already. So the kit comes already preloaded on the helmet with a photochromatic shield, which varies the darkness once it gets inside the sun. It's got a replacement clear shield, a set of goggles, and a fantastic carry bag for storage.
All right, box 2, the C-Frame Pro carbon knee braces, and these come as a pair with the brace socks you see and wear underneath.
Now I'm going to take you through what's inside the Leatt C-Frame Pro carbon knee brace. I just got this, and I actually don't wear knee braces. I've never have, but I'm running into more and more people that are ADV riders that do off-roads and BDRs that are wearing them. And in my conversations with them, I'm asking them, A, why they're wearing them, and B, how do they feel? Are they comfortable? Are they in the way? And I'm getting pretty positive responses. The reason why I'm going into it, one person when I was talking to me, he mentioned, how long do you intend on using your legs? Well, the rest of my life. Well, you better take care of your knees. So a lot of the injuries, obviously there's upper body injuries, shoulder, collarbone, wrists, injuries from falling off motorcycles in the backcountry, but also lower leg injuries. Your ankle, your foot, and your knees get twisted in times also. If you take a dab the wrong way, if you're doing some technical terrain, you want to make sure that you take care of your knees, which is why I'm testing these out. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm going to be using them quite a bit over the next coming BDR, and I'm going to give you a full review of how they went, how comfortable they are, and what the advantages are. I'm hearing a lot of positive reviews on these, so I'm really looking forward to it. So let's see what's in the box. We have our manuals, and it looks like a cheat sheet manual on the C-frame. And a bag with our gear. These actually were in a baggie, which I took out taking a peek at this before. And they're extra pads for the inside of the knee brace. And this gives you some adjustments for the knee brace for full extension or not. It gives you some flexibility. But the brace in itself, they come in a pair, or you can buy a replacement of a single brace if you need to. Come with knee sleeves, obviously one for each leg, and then the braces themselves, which they're C-frame, which means you don't have a hinge on each side, just on the outside. So this would be the left leg. This would be on the inside of the bike. You have a kneecap, you have the brace, and then you have obviously the straps to be able to contain it. And this, I believe, is adjustable if you need a little bit more room for your leg inside there. I'm really looking forward to trying these out, going on a back road ride, and I'm going to be testing these out fully. Leatt is a great gear supplier out of South Africa. Very good products that they make. Full adventure gear, boots all the way up to helmets, riding gear, and obviously safety gear. They're very well known for their neck braces, which I believe that's one of the things that they designed first. You see a lot of Australians and a lot of Europeans using their gear, and they're a very, very successful gear company. And I'm really looking forward to putting these to the test over the next few weeks. And if you've got experience with the Leatt ADV 9.5 carbon helmet or the Leatt C-Frame Pro carbon knee brace, please add a comment. We'd love to hear from you.